Hi everyone, Ailey here. So today I just wanted to do a little demonstration on how to set up an autoresponder if you are using MacMail. So I'm just going to share my screen. Desktop. Okay, so if I go to my mail, I can close that and go to preferences and on screen over here. So I want to add a rule in preferences and then rules. So the rule is out of office. Just put myself here so you can see me. Out of office reply. Okay, so I am going to say that if it's from any recipient, no, if the sender is not in my contacts, probably the sender is not in my previous recipients, and I am going to reply to the message, and the reply message text is thanks for your message. So this is really important, I think, if you feel that pressure of having to respond to emails when you get them. So this is a really nice way of setting boundaries so that you can say, this is when I work. So, you know, I have a family and I work this time to this time, and not every day because some days I have my kids, so I can't always be at the computer, you know, that kind of stuff, and it can do it for you, take the pressure off. I work on Mondays, Tuesdays and Thursdays, have intermittent time available in between. I could have just pasted this, couldn't I? To reply to within 24 hours. My office hours are say 9 to 2 p.m. for example, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Thursdays. It's very urgent. Depends on whether or not you want to say whether you want to contact mobile, depending on the type of work that you do, or maybe you could contact via Facebook Messenger. I don't know. If it's very urgent, I think it depends, but they might say, you know, they might work out that they could try and contact you in other ways. Thank you. Say early. Okay. So I have replied to the message with that. Okay. So there's my out of office reply. Do you want to apply your rules to messages? Ah, yes, I do. Edit. Only in my inbox, really. Okay, yeah. So there you go. That's how you set it up. It's really simple. So mail, preferences, rules, add rule. Turn them off. There you go. That's it. Thanks. Bye.